no way to get us all in one shot. There's Jessica standing in front of it. Look at that. There's another train.
You want to operate it?
I don't know if she can.
She probably won't. You want to, Jess?
You want to turn the train on?
Yeah.
Mom.
You can come in if you like.
Her daddy's got one like that, a little smaller. Bye-bye. Look, Jess, turn it on. You turn it on? I'm just waiting for them to go. Whoa. Coming back to you. Those houses are so cool. Oh, bless you. Where's the train? Yep, don't touch. Look, Jess, over here is a train. Here they come.
There it is.
Goodbye, train.
Goodbye, train. Say goodbye.
Yeah. Hey. Go ahead. I know that.
I just look at all that candy stuff and I'm like, I think I want that. And I want to try that. And that looks good.